Click on the subscriber button so that you will be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell button so that you won't miss any of my future video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you another kind of kurta neckline. So to make that neckline, I just pre-prepared my kurta, that is I have finished cutting my armhole, and this is going to be the shoulder part and the neckline part. You can make this neckline just by having like this, or else you can just reduce the shoulder little bit and make it like a very close boat neck like this. So either way you can do, you can just leave it as it is and you can attach the piece of fabric to this, or else you can just make a very close neckline like this. First let me cut this neckline out. The height of the neckline is just 1.5 inches, and I'm just cutting into the neckline first like this. Okay, so when I open the piece, and you can see very close neckline like this, so this is going to be the center of the kurta. So all you have to do is from this point, place where the shoulder is going to begin, I'm going to cut into the fabric. So you're going to give an opening for 8 inch. So this opening is absolutely depends upon you. As much you want, you can have this opening. Okay, so just place the tape and just draw that 8-inch line which goes near your shoulder. So I'm going to cut deep into this. So exactly till this 8-inch point I'm going to open the fabric like this. So this is going to be the right hand side, and the opening is going to come towards your left hand side. So with this fabric, I just took a same red color fabric which has a yellow color pattern work in that. So all you're going to do is just place this pattern fabric, and you're going to place this red color fabric on top of this. Okay, and I'm going to just roughly mark the exact neckline of this piece. The exact point of the opening. So I'm going to cut this out separately. So now take the wrong side of the pattern fabric and just place it on top like this. Okay, and you're going to start sewing from this point and go all the way up to the neckline, shoulder, and you're going to turn the entire fabric in so that you would be getting this underneath like this. So once you sew the button, you can see the pattern fabric is coming out like this. So let me show you the stitching of this. So you're going to match the pre-side end of the fabric and the pre-side of the pattern fabric together like this, and just lay it matching the neckline, the shoulder and the armhole. So from the shoulder neck point all the way to the neckline and down over here. Okay, you're going to sew all the way up to this. So when you reach that point, put the needle in. So from there you're going to sew all the way down till the slit point. So my slit point is exactly over this point, and I'm going to go a little bit deep into that. Okay, and finishing off this side. Towards this open part, just take a piece of fabric like this, and I have folded that in half. I'm going to place this on the shoulder like this, and you're going to sew that together. Just turn the fabric, start with some back stitch, and you're going to go all the way up to this. Now I'm going to add some notches to the neckline so that I'll be turning this in. Okay, so add some notches. So
towards this. Okay. So make sure that you tuck the entire fabric inside like this. So over this down part, I'm going to cut into that and make an angle like this, which is very important to turn the fabric. Okay, you're going to cut in an angle like this. You'll be getting a very nice and neat turn. So once it's been folded, you can see it's just going to look like this. So all you're going to do now is you're going to overlap this one on top of this and finish off the neckline, just putting a top stitch to this. Okay, so just fold it like this and start from the shoulder. Okay. And you're going to go all the way down to the neckline. And from there, you're going to go down. So to this side, you're going to tuck this one. So when you come half the way to the ending point, I just have tucked this piece and I'm going to put a stitch on that so that it will be secured. Put the needle in, just turn the fabric out and you're going to sew on top of this. Okay, and again you're going to sew at the exact margin of this. At this point, I'll be attaching my front and the back piece together, so that I'm going to leave a margin amount exactly where I'm going to join the shoulder. So just draw the line where you're going to join the shoulder and close this piece, and you're going to just make an angle like this, just finishing off the neckline. Okay, so I repeat that. This is going to be the shoulder line over this flap. All I'm going to do is just fold that a very little, and I'm going to again fold it in an angle like this. So see the wrong side, I am just folding that in an angle, and so when I place this on top, and you'll be getting a good continuity of the neckline. Okay, see, have a very good continuity. So you're going to do that, just hold that in place, and I'm going to finish off the placket side. Turn that. That's it. So this is going to be the end result of the dress, and towards the placket side I'll be adding some buttons over here. Okay, exactly at this point I'll be adding some buttons, and you'll be adding some eyes over here. So you can wear this. So if you want, you can close it like this, and if you want, you can open 2 to 3 buttons like this. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe my channel. Don't leave this page without subscribing. Your subscription is very, very, very important to me. So please go ahead and hit on the subscriber button below. Also, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye-bye.